Welcome back to the set, everybody. My name is CJ. Right here is none other than Blackstone Betty. Right over there is Nate, right over there is Ethan, and right over there is the sensei of interpretive hand dancing. That's right. Today we've got a fun one. Betty, I want to show you a recipe I made actually we call it Appetister. It's where me and Andy, it's our annual Easter get together where we make appetizers and handhelds. I used leftover chicken wings to make a roasted chicken wings flatbread that's Alfredo based and delicious.
Like a chicken wing with a bone?
Well, you'll just have to see. But I think you're gonna love this one.
I'm interested in this. Never had chicken wings on a flatbread, but I'm excited.
Why not do that today? All right, so if you've never seen the show before, grab something to sip on because it's going to be a rockin' good time. Now I know there's probably been times, I knew that there's times in our friendship and our relationship where you've really had to trust me.
Struggle bus.
I still have a hard time with it, but
Trust me on this
Famous
one.
last words, Betty. Don't do it. Don't do it, Betty.
I'm scared.
Look, Andy knows. He knows. Doesn't he know? What I'd like you to do is to slice these in half, get them in a bowl. We're gonna add a little bit of oil, a little bit of seasoning, some garlic paste, and some of this balsamic glaze.
Can I do some Tuscan? Can I add Tuscan?
Absolutely. I'm gonna let you kind of be liberal with this. I'll let you run with it. But here's where we gotta get going first. All right, I've got my Blackstone. It is set on low. I'm gonna add a little bit of some Graza sizzle here. We're gonna go down just like so. If you've never had pancetta, if you're one of those viewers, you no idea what I'm talking about. Nate, tell him what pancetta is.
It's like an uncured bacon. It's got more of a, I want to say ham flavor, but it's like fatty, delicious
Look at
pork.
all that beautiful fat.
But not American style, Italian style.
There you go. So,
and it gets really crispy, crunchy.
I am gonna put this down right here. We're gonna let that actually kind of start to, you don't wanna cook these too quick. I like to let them slow cook, let it render out.
Wait, are you cooking the chicken in the pork fat?
No.
Oh, why not?
Wouldn't you like to know?
Yeah, that's why I asked.
If I were you, then you would be me and I'd use your body to get to the top.
I love it.
You can't stop me no matter who you are.
I'm still curious about why chicken on the bone.
So here's why. Let's just say you had a game night.
You have game night.
Game day's on.
Game day.
Game night, your friends come over. I don't personally do that because I
don't have any friends.
don't have any friends. And I never learned to read.
Betty, that was such a good expression. It's so mean.
I mean, I kind of am your friend sometimes.
Only sometimes, I assure you that. I've got some oil, and then I'm gonna season with this new Blackstone garlic. Oh wow, is it amateur hour over here with somebody's phone going off while we're filming?
Sorry.
It was one of her friends.
Hello.
So I'm gonna use this garlic butter seasoning right here. I don't wanna go heavy on any salt right now because I'm gonna season with some other things here in just a minute, and there is enough salt in that. So we're just gonna do a light coat. All right, so
I haven't gotten the answer to why it's on the bone.
I know.
Okay.
I'm trying to leave people in suspense so they stick around.
I didn't realize the suspense.
There's a suspense thing going on.
Betty's
You said that if they were leftover, you had leftovers.
Yes, I know, but there's still more to come.
Much to learn. You still have.
Can I add the garlic paste in here?
Please, by all means. And the reason we're doing garlic paste is because the toothpaste of garlic is because it's gonna coat the tomatoes really, really well.
Right.
You could do garlic powder, which is fine, but it's just not the
Or
same.
you could do fresh garlic.
Or
chopped.
fresh. Imagine that.
Yeah, but it coats the tomatoes.
I'm gonna
so
do some Tuscan herb. Can you get me that drizzle?
I would love to get you
Drizzle olive oil.
that drizzle. So here's what I'm gonna do right here. I've got this pan. I'm gonna do a little bit of oil down. We are going in our pan with our wings.
Where's it going?
I am so glad you asked. It's going on a little
Journey?
I wouldn't say a vacation. I'd say more like a field trip, if you will.
Please let this be a normal field trip with a friend? No way!
Hey,
See, I
we're
wanna
going
cook
into our
them in the
pizza oven,
pancetta
my
fat,
friends.
too.
Yeah, what's he thinking?
So I've got my pizza oven. We're sitting at like right at 400. If you've never cooked
Seriously, what is
wings,
he thinking?
I don't know. He's not like us. He
if you've
doesn't
never,
get it.
whoa, whose show is this?
Look, I was just saying. I was
Oh
gonna add
yeah,
some
you were just
balsamic
saying. You were
glaze.
just today, Junior. Whatever. If you've never cooked wings in the pizza oven before, I highly recommend it. It is delicious. They get extra crispy. It's super
It's his first day.
yummy. Why?
Because you didn't make it turn.
This looks too pretty to mix up.
I know, but you know what?
Alright.
I'm gonna do a little bit of pepper as well. A little bit of cracked pepper. It's not cracked pepper, but it is
How about a
delicious.
little salt?
A little bit of salt goes, whoa. Almost
A little bit of
dropped
lava.
me there.
Sorry.
We are now at I wouldn't say a halt, I would say a
junction.
standstill. I didn't give you permission to eat the tomatoes.
I don't need your permission. I made them.
I didn't give you permission either. I know for a fact I didn't give you
setting you up for a
permission.
hand slap and you didn't. You missed it.
So look, we are at a ring it and bring it moment because our
gosh.
pancetta is crisping up nicely. Our chicken wings are cruising.
just the
We're on
waiting.
our way, folks, because this is fun. Just trust me.
This is
trust
fun.
the process.
This is fun.
I'm having a good time.
I'm trying.
I feel like the pizza oven is a tool in your arsenal that is overlooked. I love this. Betty, you've cooked
Versatile.
chicken wings in a pizza oven. What is it that we're looking for here?
They come out perfect in the pizza oven, but I
course.
have to have extra crispy skin, like well done for me.
Yep, I
but I
love
know
that.
because you're gonna be putting it back in.
Yep. We don't want to go too far with these. But speaking of not going too far, the pancetta as well. This is done. We're not going to go too far because we're going to go back in here in just a minute. And now our wings have had some time to cool because we are going to be manhandling these.
Can I help you with that?
Please, by all means. So do what you have to do here in order to make this work. But
And we want the skin
trick,
too, right?
yes, we want the skin on as much as we can. So if you
Wait,
can
so
come-
you're gonna cook this again?
yes.
Pizza oven for half crisp, back onto the griddle for full crisp.
Not the griddle. We're going back into the pizza oven again because we're going to
Okay.
do some wicked melty cheese. It's going to be phenomenal.
So this is
basically,
a crispiness compounding.
yes. And honestly, this is one of those things that if you want to impress your friends, this is a really cool way to utilize chicken on a whole different level. The chicken is perfect, but we are going to do a little bit more seasoning now. This is why I didn't want to add a lot of salt at the beginning. I'm going to add some lemon peppercorn and some lemon juice.
So it's not perfect.
It's
Now
not.
it's perfect.
Now it's perfect,
Now.
as well as a little bit of Tuscan herb. Use whatever bread you like. I love this flatbread here. I've done naan before. Betty, what is your preference when it comes to what kind of bread?
Stone Fire is perfect.
Stone Fire,
for me.
like
I
whatever
love
it
that
is.
brand, yes.
Yep, I love it. So today we're gonna go with an Alfredo base. I'm honestly,
Alfredo as the sauce?
that's right.
Okay.
I'm normally a red sauce kind of guy, but Alfredo's gonna be our base.
I'll
I've
help
got
you
a little.
spread that around.
I love this. So of course you got your basics, your mozzarella. We've got our seasoned chicken. We've
Or
got
your
those.
mozzarella.
Gotta go skin side up. Too.
Oh,
Make
skin
sure
side up.
that skin gets nice and
I love it.
crispy.
I love it. Those dressed tomatoes were perfect. Now I've got some spinach that needs to go on here. A little bit more mozzarella. We're gonna do. Oh my gosh!
Pancetta.
Honestly,
I gotta get your pancetta
get
on
that
there.
pancetta on there. We've got some Tuscan herb. This is ready to. Yeah, I think this is officially ready to hit the pizza oven.
Now, how long are you gonna go in the oven with this? Because I really like a crispy, crunchy.
I love the crunch.
bread.
I love the.
The bread's gotta be.
I
like,
love the
bottom,
crunch. I love like the
undercarriage.
toast points on the cheese.
You love lamb?
And bubbly all
I
on
do.
top.
I love lamb. I love it a lot.
Do you really love the lamp, or are you just saying it because you saw it?
Honestly, it depends on like where you are and how hot your pizza oven is, but we're looking for that nice, crispy undercarriage.
Bottom and the bubbly cheese on
Bubbly.
top and those tomatoes.
Mm.
Ooh.
Perfect. We're not done here though. We're gonna slice this up. We've got a little bit more to do. We've
I
got
like
some.
the
Let's let it
way
rain.
you're cutting
Oh,
it.
thank you,
Yep.
thank you. Let's let this rain. We got some parm on top. We got a little balsamic glaze.
Picture
This
perfect.
looks
Picture
perfect. Shall we, Betty?
I cannot wait.
Okay, go for it. You pick the slice since you're
I want this one.
I wanted that one.
Too bad. Too bad. Look at the bottom
All
of
right,
that.
all right.
Oh, show me that again,
Look
baby.
at that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, undercarriage, nice and crisp.
Goodness.
Zero flop.
Zero flop. And a nice piece of chicken. Cheers.
Oh,
Thanks for having
cheers.
me cook.
Oh yeah, absolutely. The crunch.
No, it's delicious.
Huh?
Delicious.
What?
Delicious.
You mow my lawn?
You got your own grass. This couldn't happen.
It must be a Florida thing.
Speaking of Florida, hey CJ, did you know? Did you know Florida? Yeah. Let me just make sure.
Stupid.
They're not.
The Indian River Lagoon in Florida is North America's most biologically diverse estuary.
I was unaware of that.
I have no idea what any of that meant.
Hey, long guy, were you aware of that? I was unaware of that. Betty, were you aware of
I
that?
have no idea what any of that even meant.
Were those English?
Those were big words for me.
All right, let's ring it and bring it. We are. Whoa.
What the?
Oh my.
happening?
Things aren't working around here. I don't know. I think it's time to eat.
Eat?
Let's eat some more.
Eat more?
Read comments.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
So glad that you guys stuck around. Truly an honor and a privilege to have you here. This is the part of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
Betty's favorite part.
Because if you guys write it,
We read it.
That's right.
As long as
So,
they're not about me.
so starting from the top in no particular order, this one comes in from Eddie Wallace.
Eddie Wallace. Always
Eddie
love ya.
Wallace. And I'm gonna let Betty do the honors here.
Oh, please be nice.
So here we go. What's it say?
Eddie Wallace, pretty decent video. I might be able to do that one. I'm glad we have Bruce, Todd, and a couple others that cook simple meals and are not trying to do stand-up comedy during the show.
It's about us.
He's talking about us.
It's about us.
Did you?
Ah.
But I'm the.
Your bowl.
She be-
All
right, Eddie.
I agree.
Eddie.
Yo, Eddie. Hey, Eddie. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Whatever, guy. You don't even know what you're talking about.
Now that you have your glasses on.
Spectacles.
Spectacles.
Spectacles?
Spectacles. Blackstone Griddle team.
Yeah.
I live in the Philippines and it's
Whoa.
impossible to get beef. The only option is canned corned beef. How would you use that to make a smash burger? Meatloaf? Anything? Help! Nate?
Not a smash burger. Betty, use corned beef.
It wouldn't be a smash burger, but you could make a nice
Kind of like a
slice
loaf?
of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a loaf
Like a
and
patty melt type.
kind of like scrapple.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Or what if they blended it up and made it into something?
Like some kind of fritter?
That could
No,
work.
like a patty.
Yeah.
Blend
It's a
the
fritter.
corned beef, then you
Yeah,
put
cheese.
binders or something.
Add some,
in
yeah,
it,
some flour, some egg.
And then make a burger.
A fritter.
Do it.
Patty. It wouldn't be a burger,
Sure.
it'd be a patty.
All right,
A patty.
corned beef patty fritter. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa,
Golly. What's happening?
Okay.
No, you didn't let me ring that bell one time. And you suck at it. If I suck at this.
There.
Try to mess me up.
Okay. Of course, every time the bell rings.
Much better.
All right, this next one comes in from Ricky Hopkins.
Hey, Ricky.
And I'm gonna let Betty take it away.
I love this. Ricky. Just do the recipe. Nobody cares about Broadway production.
Broadway.
All right, so if
Wait a
CJ's
minute.
first cooking show was a Broadway production, what would it be?
Les Miserable.
Les Miserables? Cats.
That's pretty good.
Oh, that's
All
a good
right.
one.
Let me know in the comments, what's CJ's first cooking show?
Throw it
Alternate
on
ego
Broadway.
Broadway show.
I need to put my cup in the same place every time.
There it is. Okay. This last one comes in from the Smokin' Griddle Boys.
Ooh,
And it says-
some of my favorites. This is no longer CJ's first cooking show. It ain't. It's Andy and Nate's cooking show. Love you, boys.
All right.
Boo!
Well, guess what,
Who's-
boys? It's Betty's show today.
Let me get there.
Woo!
Can we just talk about him dancing too?
Oh, the Andy dance?
Andy, will you do it?
Nope.
Yes, he will.
You are like the
Roll
male
the-
version of.
We're just gonna roll the
Elaine.
clip. I know he's just
Yes.
the CJ's first cooking show Elaine.
We should put more Andy stickers up on your board.
And,
wait.
And then we're wrapping.
What board?
Oh my gosh, we forgot literally everything.
I feel like I feel like maybe I was a distraction.
Maybe so. Betty, where's all my stuff? My board's not there. My dinosaur's not there.
You said you were a pro.
My pets' heads are falling off.
You think
I'm not
you're
a pro,
and
obviously.
You forgot his whole set.
Wow. Well,
I'll take the blame.
I think you are the one to blame, but I'll take the blame on this delicious
It is really good.
flatbread coming in clutch with chicken wings. It's like delicious roasted chicken on a flatbread. So amazing. Let me know how I did in the comments below. Let me know what you think of Betty being on my show.
Great. What's the Italian thing? Nervous.
Manja, baby.
Oh,
No,
forget about it.
forget about
Oh.
it.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing, just
Bing,
make up
bada
more
boom.
words. Make up more words. That's what you do.
Manja. It's time to eat.
Let me just put that
on this meatball sub here with extra mozzarella. Hey!
Thank you so much for hanging out. This is definitely CJ's first cooking show, and this is how we do things around here. Go to blackstoneproducts.com where you can learn about all of the delicious recipes that we've created up there. Also, go to griddlecrew.com if you want to know about Griddle Crew and everything that's happening there. But in the meantime...
Hey, while we're there, how about griddlenation.com?
Oh, you can go to Griddle Nation. You know what? Why don't you
And
just go?
BlackstoneProducts.com, all of them.
I said that one.
Oh,
griddlenation.com is another one. Nate and I have a show.
I have a show.
Do you?
Great show. I love it.
Thank you.
Oh,
That was an unsanctioned high five.
He gets all his ideas.
This is CJ's
from me.
first cooking show where we
Cook.
and we quote. All right, let's
You
ring
know, I
it.
almost said cook, eat, and repeat.
Oh,
it's fine.
oh,
We don't know where your heart is.
gone.
I went Celine Dion.
Wow.
Okay.
I want more flatbread.
So come on, everyone, it's the